standards. So, Sandra, what trends did you uncover in this
Hey,
session?
Lori. Hey, Liz. Well, it was all about those gains in the major averages. Remember, this is the third straight day of gains for the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. If you take a look at a weekly chart here, you can see it's been off to the races for the past several trading days. So there's a lot of momentum there. Jump into the Dow 30, show you the winners and losers. Bank of America, American Express, definitely getting helped out by that Visa and MasterCard news at the end of the session. JP Morgan and Travelers, some of your top gainers there. About 6 Dow components trading to the downside. The losses there led by Microsoft, Intel, and Caterpillar. Surprisingly, and I'll tell you why, jump into the S&P 500. Finishing up over the 1,300 mark there, up about just less than 1% on the session, up 10 points. Again, S&P 500 up for a third straight session. But take a look at your leaders here. A pretty unbelievable day if you look at U.S. Steel. The steel companies got upgraded today, so they were up, as well as AK Steel. But there's the MasterCard and Visa gains. Visa gaining 15% on the session. It was the second biggest mover in the S&P 500 to the upside. And, of course, you had MasterCard, which gained more than 11% as well. And also some good earnings for Monsanto, helping buoy the broader market. Monsanto reporting profits that were up 77%. Guys, it wasn't all good for the markets. I do want to finish off by showing you one of the groups that surprisingly struggled today. Take a look at the home builders. We got those pending home sales numbers out that were fairly good, and the market sort of applauded them, but the home builders themselves not reacting so favorably there. So interesting point to make. And guys, I'll leave you off with a couple of the commodities. Here you have it. You know, midweek, we are just under $95 a barrel, but up more than a couple percent today. So a lot of those commodities that saw big sell-offs are bouncing back a bit. Liz, Lori, back to you.
I see copper's back too. Thank you, Sandra. In play this hour, of Fox Business